Log in your TikTok Ads Manager account, open Ads Manager, then click on campaigns right here. It will open up like this. You are going to see all the campaigns you have run here. If you have not run anyone, here will be empty, okay? Now, let me show you how to find those hidden detailed targeting options for your business. Click on this create button. Just follow the normal way you run your ad. For the purpose of this video, I will use lead generation. So I will just select lead generation objective here. I will switch back to previous version. I will select manual campaign here. I don't want to use smart campaign, so I'll select manual campaign. Scroll down and I will name my campaign. Okay, you already know how to do that. Down below, you see this continue button here. Click on continue. The audience setup is at this ad group level. So let me just go straight to audience setup. You already know how to set up your ad. If you don't know how to set up your ad, I have a step-by-step video. The link to that video will be at the description of this video. So after watching this one, go and watch that one for better understanding. Now, at targeting, you are going to see demographics. So start from demographics, select your location here. Then let's go to age. For what I'm promoting, I will be selecting from age 18 to 54. So I will remove 55 plus. The age you have to select depends on what you are promoting. I hope you know that by now. Then for the gender, I'm promoting fashion items for women. So I'm going to be selecting only women for the gender. Then for languages, we click on this drop down button here. Then I will input English right here. Just enter English depending on the language you are using for your audience. Okay. After selecting that, here you are going to see spending power. I'll leave it at all, right? Then for audience, include audience. I'm not using any custom audience there, so I'll leave it. I will also not exclude any audience. Now pay attention. Here at interest and behaviors, what most of you do is you come to this place where they say search or select interest and behaviors. You come to this drop down button here and you only select your interest based on these available options here. See all these other ones here. These are the only options that you have here. But TikTok has updated such that you can search a particular keyword and see the ones that are not here. If you look here, you only see available one, but there are some hidden ones, additional interest, specific purchase intention, creator interaction that you will not see here, but they are hidden inside the search. So these are the hidden target audience, interest-based, behavior-based targeting audience that I want to show you. For instance, let me use fashion brand. If there is a particular niche or a particular business type that you want me to do specific audience for, then comment below and I will look into it. If I get much interest, then I will create a video on that for you. Now, click on this search bar here. Look at this particular place where you see search here. This is where you are going to search. If you click here, it will show you this one. So this is where you search. So for women fashion business, I'm selling women clothes, shoes, handbags, and all that. Okay. Now, these are the keywords that I will be using. Use keywords that relate to your own business. If you don't know, just comment below. Because I'm selling handbags, I will go in general. Let me just go with women's fashion. Now, you will see that this search is going to show you different related to women. The moment I just type women here, look at women's fragrance and perfumes. These ones are not in that one that they outlined, but you will see it under here. Now, if you check this right hand side, you will see that this is under interest, which means women who are interested in their fragrance and perfumes, then this one is games for women. Don't go for that one. This is women's clothing, women's shoes, women fragrance and perfumes, and this is for purchase intention, not just interest. So it's going to go with those who are interested in buying perfumes and fragrance. Now, you may ask, but I'm talking about clothing, shoes, handbags. Why am I going with their perfumes? That is because women who are ready to buy perfumes, we also want to buy clothes if they see the clothes that they like. Do you understand now? So they are related interests. Do you get the point now? Yes. Now look at women's clothing. Now, this is not interest, this is purchase intention. So those who are interested in buying clothing and they are women, within that period of time you're running the ad, they have this purchase intention. If they have bought one clothes within that period, because they are classified with intention, that behavior is going to enable TikTok to show them your own ad within that period. Do you get the point? Now, you also go with purchase intention for women's shoes. You see, this is women accessories, so this is related to women. So you can click now. If I select this one, you can see select women's shoes for additional interest, then women clothing under interest, women shoes here, women fragrance and perfume for purchase intention, and you see women fragrance and perfumes. If you scroll down below, you also see additional interest, women clothing, additional interest here, standard slippers, and you see women clothes here, additional interest, women pants. So choose the most related, right? Then now, if I remove this women here, I will also search another interest relating to women, right? And I will type handbag because I'm also selling handbags here. So I will type the keyword handbags. When I type the keyword handbags here, look at here. This is handbags interest, handbags purchase intention. So this purchase intention is for those who are interested in buying handbag that period, okay, and those who have bought that period. That is where they categorize for purchase intention. So I'll select both interest and purchase intentions. Do you understand now? Then for handbags, I'll still go ahead to select additional interest. Then I will still select handbags here under additional interest, both purchase intention and additional interest. Then look at here, they have luxury handbags, leather handbags, different types of handbags. So maybe the person is interested in the luxury handbags, maybe leather handbags, as the case may be. Then another keyword I'm going to look out for is online shopping, because a lot of women who are shopping online are going to be buying these products, okay? When I type online shopping here, you will see online shopping interest, online shopping purchase intention. So a lot of women who have the intention of purchasing online, this ad is going to be shown to them. Okay, so I will select online shopping here. I will select online shopping for interest. I will also select online shopping for purchase intention. Then another way I can catch some other online shoppers is those who are shopping on Jumia. Look at jumia.online shopping. So I can catch those who are going there to shop. Look at it here. I will click on it because it's showing additional interest. Jumia is a marketplace where a lot of shoppers go to. So I can use that, okay? Then there are other keywords that you can use for fashion business. There are as many as possible, but you will not add all. There are some other keywords like fashion styling, boutique shopping, African fashion, luxury lifestyle, designer brands, luxury handbags, fashion accessories, and a lot more. I will not outline all here. There are still more because not everybody here is selling women fashion. So depending on your business, just search for keywords that are related to your business and you'll be able to target based on those keywords. If you look at the available audience here, you see that I have accumulated up to 7.6 million to 9.4 million here. Then I will go further to connection type. I want those using Wi-Fi, those who are using 4G, 5G network. Maybe at some places that the network fluctuates, they can get 3G. So I will just select 3G, okay? And I am having about 3.3 to 4 point something million there. If I don't want 3G network at all, I will just uncheck it and I will leave it at these people. Wi-Fi, 4G, and 5G. Okay, I still have up to 3 million audience, which is still very sizable enough for me. Then I will go further to set my budget, set other things, and I'll publish my ad. If you have any question, just comment below and I'll reply to your questions. Don't forget to like this video. When you like this video, it will encourage me to bring more valuable videos like this on this channel.